Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to set up FreeRadius on Ubuntu step by step. Perfect if you are just getting started or want to practice your networking certifications. By the end of this video, you'll have a free working FreeRadius server that can authenticate users locally. So there are 6 steps here. Step 1 is to install FreeRadius. Let's start with the installation. Make sure your system is updated with this command. And then install the freeradius and utilities packages. Okay, it's separated. This will install freeradius server. Oh, it's an extra E. So this will install the FreeRadius server and a set of utilities like radtest that we will use to verify everything later. Like if the radius service has been installed perfectly or not. That we can test a local, we can use the radtest to do a local test. Once installed, we'll move to the next step. So step 2 is to verify installation in directory structure. So here you have folders like mods available, sites available, files in the clients, files like clients.conf, users. We'll edit the users file to add a test user. Here you go to the end and add a test user. Here I'm using Vim. You can use any editor. Just save the file and close it. This defined a user called tester with the password 126 actually. The next step is to test the authentication. The FreeRadius comes with a built-in utility called radtest that we installed in our previous step. Now, since we have changed the user's file, we need to restart the radius service. So radtest, as I said, is a local utility. It's a built-in utility with the free radius that can help you verify if the radius server has been installed correctly. If you see the accept message, that means congratulations, your free radius is authenticating users correctly. So now you can see we have completed our 4 steps here. First was the installation, then just verify if everything is installed in the free radius directory. Then try to add a user, then verify a local user that we created. The next step is to enable the service. Like, let's make sure that our free radius starts automatically at boot. So to do that, we have to run these commands. Enable free radius. Okay. And we can check the status as well. So the free radius is loaded and active. It's running. And this can help us, the status command can help us with basic troubleshooting, that if it's working or not. Now our next step is to do a basic troubleshooting. If something if something doesn't work, you can check logs for errors. The most helpful one is the debug log mode. To enter the debug mode in freeradius, you have to stop the freeradius bit first. Once you stop it, you can check the status. Okay, so it's inactive. Now you can enable your freeradius X, and you can check here if it's listening on correct port or not, or all the other information is there that you can verify. If something is wrong, it will pop up here. And once you enable the debug mode, you can try another authentication attempt. If it fails, here you see here you see the messages why it's getting failed. So to close the debug, you have to press Ctrl+C, and that's it. So you have successfully installed and configured a free radius server on Ubuntu 20.04. In the upcoming videos, we'll connect the server with a network device and configure ETLS authentication for wireless authentication. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more network security labs and tutorials. Thank you.